Hey guys, Stanley here. I gotta be real quiet about this, but last night we did the laser test, and I'm telling you, that laser was as straight as an arrow. It was just perfectly straight for 6 miles, and all the targets, they just lined up. They lined up in a perfectly straight line. So guys, I mean, there's no doubt. It's 100% proof that the laser was straight. The laser was straight and the laser was flat. 100% proof the laser was straight and flat. And all the targets for 6 miles were lined up in a straight line. So I'm not sure if Jesse and George want me to tell anybody that, but I'm gonna try and sneak in here and show you guys some of this evidence just in case. Let me see. Well, look at this screenshot. I gotta be quiet here. Hey Jesse, you think I can get a shot through there?
Really? Nah, there's really nothing to see in here.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta go up and see George. I'll be right back.
All right.
Up near the house, when you get up near the house, there's two logs written on the ground there. Avoid that area because that's where that ice sheet is. Okay. There's snow on top, you'll fall.
Look at it, straight.
On your ass. You can step in there.
They're all targets are in line. Look at that. All the way out 6
Hey,
miles.
what are you doing?
Huh? What? Have you talked to it lately?
What? She's been asking me a lot of questions lately. She wants to know where she is, what she's looking at, how big is it. So I gotta talk to her. I gotta tell her how far away it is. I think she's been watching YouTube videos. I'm sure of it. She never used to ask these questions. All right.
See what I'm saying, guys? See what I'm saying? It's just straight as an arrow. I mean, all the targets are just lined up. Perfectly straight. I'm going to try and mix in some of the clips from the laser test last night, too. But I had to get this out. Just had to get it out.